The topic of my research paper focuses on operating a home office offering accounting services. My research question is, would outsourcing be a good option for working from home? Since beginning classes to obtain a degree in accounting, I have learned there are many employment opportunities other than working in a company's office. The idea of working from home is what pushed me to pursue this degree. Upon learning about the outsourcing option, allowing you to work for a company at home in your own office, my goal became to pursue this option after graduation. Some accountants who provide outsourcing services are actual employees of the hiring company and receive full benefits along with allowances for office needs, while some accountants are hired to perform specific tasks for a predetermined amount of money and receive no benefits. This type of accountant is treated as an independent contractor or company. Working from home has become more and more popular in recent years, especially for parents of young children, retirees, and those living in rural areas wishing to eliminate a daily commute. I believe the general audience is interested in knowing that practical income options are available by operating a home office, not only in accounting, but in many fields. Work from home by outsourcing, Kimberly Baxter. Abstract. As working from home becomes more popular, the opportunities to make a viable income have increased and spread out into many fields. One of the fields is accounting, with outsourcing gaining popularity. Outsourcing allows companies to employ the services of accountants without added overhead for office space. There are many aspects to consider when working from home, including the options of outsourcing. One aspect to consider would be whether you possess a personality type to handle working from home, unsupervised, and remain productive, along with the pros and cons of working remotely in a solitary environment. Other aspects to consider would be the types of companies to accept outsourcing work from, as many are internationally based, and what services are in demand, such as tax preparation and data entry. Whether running a home business or telecommuting, working from home is a great way to generate income. There are many options for working from home, offering different levels of income. Accountants have many opportunities when considering working from home, such as business owner, outsourcing, offshoring, and nearshoring are just a few. Outsourcing is a great option for accountants working from home as it provides employment opportunities worldwide, eliminates a daily commute, and allows them to balance home and work lives easily. In recent years, working from home has grown more popular with many benefits for employers and employees alike. There are many steps to take when considering working from home, but the possibility of earning a high income from the comforts of a home office is an attainable goal. The first steps involve researching market demands and building the needed skills. Applying your skills toward customer demands and tapping into trends are key steps for obtaining work-from-home success. Although there are many steps to starting up a home office to work from successfully, it is also very important to assess your own personality and consider how working from home will affect the quality of your work and home lives. Shamir and Solomon, 1985, wrote, according to one widely accepted formulation, Hackman and Oldman, 1976, workers' productive behavior as well as their satisfaction and attitudes is dependent largely on certain psychological conditions: experienced meaningfulness of the work, experienced responsibility for outcomes of the work, and knowledge of the actual results of the work activities, page 456. These conditions are also dependent upon certain core dimensions of the work undertaken, such as autonomy, feedback, skill varieties, task significance, along with task meaningfulness. Working from home also affects your work and home socialization. For some, working in a home environment is more demanding and offers a lot less freedom than the workplace. A recent study on personality traits in relation to career satisfaction investigated the top 5 core competencies: neuroticism, extroversion, agreeableness, openness, and conscientiousness. Levy et al., 2011, wrote, We sought to identify those personality traits that led to satisfaction within accounting, page 241. The top traits for accountants are conscientiousness and emotional stability, followed by other personality traits such as optimism, extroversion, work drive, and assertiveness. The study concluded that the variance in career satisfaction is accounted for by personality traits. Along the path to creating your work-from-home opportunities, many roadblocks will be presented by potential employers concerning disadvantages from their perspectives in hiring remote employees. Blog author Rachel Goh looked at the most prevalent concerns of managers considering remote work. She looked at each concern: lack of community, difficult communication, low reliability, maintaining accountability, issues with payments and logistics, loss of productivity, and security concerns, and offered solutions to each one. Go, 2016, wrote, "To sum it up, there are a lot of valid reasons managers and agencies shy away from remote workers, and it's hard to blame them. However, for those who want to give a distributed team a shot, there are avenues and tools for you to try that only recently began appearing." Wrapping it up, paragraph 1. Although there are many things to consider when opting to work from home, there are many benefits to telecommuting for accountants and CPAs. Telecommuting is not just an employee perk, but also offers operational benefits for CPA firms. Phelan 2002 stated, "CPA firms that use work-from-home arrangements say there are clear operational benefits. They save money because there's less absenteeism, they increase production, and they keep high-quality employees longer." Page 37. When considering what types of work to accept as an accountant working from home, outsourcing covers many areas of accounting from data entry to filing taxes. Shamus, Green, Sorensen, and Kyle, 2005, wrote, "Now, as technology makes it easy to move data great distances, another innovation has its foot in the door. It's tax preparation and financial services outsourcing, called offshoring when the work is done overseas and nearshoring if it's done in Canada or Mexico." Paragraph 1. As outsourcing becomes more widely used, obtaining employment opportunities as an outsourced provider continues to grow. In conclusion, with the right approach, research, knowledge, and skills, accountants can work from home and be successful in their chosen field. As outsourcing gains popularity, income opportunities will continue to increase for accountants.